Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about the HTML. So first of all, let us open out our browser. Here we are going to search for the Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a software we are going to use to make our HTML code, and it is the best software, so you can download it from here. I have provided the link and description also. So as I have already downloaded it, so I have installed also, so I am not going to install it again. So I am just opening the Sublime Test. So this one is the Sublime Test. So first of all, we have to save our project over here with any of the name. It's the first project, so I am going to write it out first. You can name it any, but write .html at the last as an extension you have to give and save it. Now just you have to give the sign and then you have to write ht. You will be having a look that html is over here. Just press the enter. So in the title box I'm just going to give it out my first code. My first HTML code I have written over here. In body section, now let us see the difference. First of all, I have written a hello world. So now I will right click on it and open it in browser. So you will be just having a look that we have opened up our first program, but hello world was not written over there. So now what we have to do, we have to delete this first of all. So now this one is in the font section, so we have to write font. Just press enter, and in between font starting and font end we have to write over here hello world. So as you can see that hello world is written over here. Now open it in browser. You can have a look. Hello world is written in your section. So this one was all for today. So this one was your first program.